Ning kong na ka office jong ka block task force BBP jong ka Umling C&RD block ni ai khuble ya phi baro ka jingkran ban lampang shapi ki pa nong shong shnong baro ki baha phapo ka Umling block ni pha shapi ya ka ni ka khubor lemba ka ni ka documentary film na ka benta ba kumno ngin ring ngin sumar bat pendang start ya ki khon kan thai jani hoi ni hang ni ha ka im lang sa lang jani ngim dan ya kata ka jing nyau shi yang kaman laya ki khon kan thai ni khon chen lang jani hendrai don pat ki pangi hap an pikir ki khon kan thai jani bakin pendam pendu no ya ki jing nyau ben ki jing sha le bor bat nyam
ka long kme ka de ka nong ri nong kdop ye ki khon ki kti kumju ru ye ki kme ki kpa ki balat temen ha ka imlang ka salang harangkar ka jingri jing sumar ki khon ki kti bad ya ka yeng ka sem ngi jusa khiru ba ka long kme ka don ye ka benta ka bakrao ha ka baye de ban kenti ka yo ka kon ha ka yeng ka sem ha ki babun ki liang kham tam ha ka ne ka juk ka ba menta ka kan thei la ne ka long kme kam dei shu tang ka nong kha nong pun bat ka ba penlut sngi tang ha ka yeng shatja henry ka lai rengkat bor bat urang ba ha ki babun ki kam nadu ka khai ka pateng ka trei kam office ka kam pulit la ne sipai bat ki wei de
na beta kan dia Beti Bachao Beti Padhao ka dia ka jing kordor jong ka jing nang jing start ya ki khana kan thei na mar ba ki khana kan thei ha ka jing nang jing start ki don kam ha na mar ba ki long yang kat kerdam ba ki shenrang ha kam lang salang na ta hala shai la shisni na ki larang ba ha ying asem na ki la dom ying asem ki nom sha le ben ha lo na mar ba la da ki don ka kam ka jam ka ju ka jing yo jing kod ru ka long mentoi lang ha ki lang salang ha ying asem kata ka de jing kordor jing stan na ta ki kimi ki par kim de bandon ki jing yo shil yang khamat ki kun kan the ki de ban pha school ki kun kan the kim de ban pep school ki de ban ai man sim ki bakin late school hadu ban yo ka kam ka jam kata ka de jing su thu jing shang ka Beti Bachao Beti Padhao na marba ki kun kan the ru ki nadu ka sarkar India prime minister ru ula ai ni kun jaskim ka jing panshai ba de ban penang pasat ki kun kan the
ha ka imlang ka salang ka jongi ngimdan ni kata ka jingnyau shiliang khman ya ki khon kan thei ne khon shenrang jongi henry ki don pat ki bangi hap ban fikir ya ki khon kan thei ki jongi bangin pendam pendu no e ka jingnyau ben jingsha lebor bat penyam kumju ru bangin long ki nongyada ya ki na ki ni ki jingsniu nadu na yeng ha phlau ha linti singkin ha school ha office ha yo ha han ha ki yeng mane blei bat ha baro ki jaka daga bangin sngo thu shai ka jingmut ka baong m 1 kamut m lane 1 ka sarkar ka lapanmi ya ka ne ka scheme ka baong Beti Bachao Beti Padhao bat ka campaign lane ka jingelang pait ba hari bhoi bat meghalaya hi baro ka wei bangin sngo thu bat tim ka baong Beti Bachao hangne ka meghalaya kamut ye ka ban punjot iki khon kan thei ki badang pun ha ka khpo bat Beti Padhao kala banlong ba kamdon jingye dei ba ka jingbam penang pen start ye ki khon kan thei namar ni penang pen start iki kumju henry to ngin yatai ne perkhat ikini ki lai tili ki ki ba ka ne ka Beti Padhao Beti Bachao kathmu ki nong song snong jongi.
Since as a women police officer, I can say that day by day the crime against children is rising in a society. So we have to, as a society, as a parents, we have to protect them at home, in the schools and outside. We have to educate them to know what is right and wrong. We have to protect them when they are going out, at home and in everywhere.
Kabaning kong, ka jingsha batbor, lebor bat thombor jongki khulung khna kanthei harib hoi district kani kadi ka jing ka ba khmat du baka imlang ka salang ka yakandu khamtam ki khon kanthei na kata ka daw ka Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign ka penkan mau iki briu hangni bangin ong persha bet iki ban sange khamtam yakitu ki jaj ben riu ki bam len banyele persha ban thombor le khlam akor ne wat ban penjot iki kanthei khna ki tip bha ikini ki jaj kantin habangin ong yaki wat tam kti hang ni ngikran ye kum kite ki jaj briu la ki de ki kenja kpa ne mama shiparatrai ne shipara arkmi ne ki para marjan.
In Riboy, Women Police Station was started in 2018, and presently 4 officers are attached to this Women Police Station, including me, and it is situated right in front of Nongpo Police Station, Sadar. It is actually open specially for catering to the complaints of crime against women. And so now all the women related cases are being looked after by the women officers from Women Police Station, as well as 2 women officers are attached to Umling Police Station, and then 1 officer in Umling Outpost and 1 officer in Bernihart Police Outpost to cater to the complaints related to crime against women. Also, in Nongpo jurisdiction, we have a wide jurisdiction. So now we have 3 extra officers who are attached to these police stations are looking after the cases relating to women. So I would like to tell all the women who are victimized to crimes can come forward to Women Police Station to complain about the grievances, so that we can look after to your complaints and move forward with the registration of the cases.
Kabaar ka jingshong kurem khna Beti Bachao habangi ong wat kerki lengba ka section laispa saw ngikran hangni ki samla kanthe baki dei banlong ki ba adkar bat bankiar nakaba shongkha ne shongkurem khna bat dei banlong ki ba fikir bha banyada yalade haba ki yahap kurem khna kabalai khaddu e ka jingpep school shitengpor ne samoy habangi ong wat khanglan kane ka thobe ki kime ki kpa ki nong hikai bat ya ka imlang ka salang ki bada kumno re kumno hangne hangtai ki pin i daw ki khna kan thei bakin i no ka jingpule na ki daw ba pher kane ka penlong ki samla kan thei ban pep school pep college no shitengpor ne bon ki drop out ha ki school bat ki college
na kata daw ka kentien 1 ka mod don ha ka kentien no way but ka BBP campaign lane ka Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign ha Riboy district ka batay sa nibha ya ka ka bangile ningi perkhat kamdei ban kata ki khon kan thai jami kublai